above our reef. We watch its life cycle a fathom down. In summer it never sleeps, moving the night's hot breath on pale cruciform bodies, minds refusing to close. In winter it lies still, a three-petalled flower of ice. It is the turning reel of our private cinema, projecting onto these sheets the amateur porn of positions we've tried. Fever sweats, loneliness, laughter. A boring film where the characters read books by bedside lights and neither speaks. Times we lie apart in anger, far as the edges of the bed allow. Wasted nights. Here, your waters break twice. Underground springs no muscle can stop. Baby heads grow in a white field, breathing milk, howling the slow incision of teeth. The Buddhas become long and bony, flop down between us, wanting to know what to do with their lives as we pretend to know. My black curly hair greys and shrinks to a widow's peak. Your long chestnut waves are cropped and dyed. We are buried in the rustle of weekend papers, their slightly altered, repeating stories. The greedy privatised gain and socialised loss. Couples cheat each other, leaders their states. The so very reasonable sell guns to fanatical haters. People destroy what exists, believing it doesn't, and we live in the hegemony of gloss. On setting one, it is a whisper, a rumour, a silk dressing gown undone. On setting two, sweet breezes start to blow. On setting three, it knocks a rhythm like the lovers climaxing below. On setting four, it is a white beehive, an inner sea, a shallow roar. On setting five, it is a cyclone's light bulb eye. Slow down now. Slow down.